Guys, you are welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you are going to add a CPA links on a Google site with a CPAGrip network. And in this video, I am going to share with you step-by-step strategy. Then what you need to do now, just watch this video to the end. And I will also share with you how to get the free traffic. So, however, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I don't guarantee you of any income. Your result may vary based on your effort, your skill, your experience, your consistency, and your traffic that you make. You can use a mobile phone to start this CPA marketing. Before I start, I will want you to please subscribe to my channel, like this channel, and also like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinion about this video, don't be shy or try to leave a comment down below. Now, let's dive into today's video. So what you need to do now, you can see here right now, how these people are making money, a lot of money here, a hell of money. See this person is already making $116. If you slow down, you can see this person has made $4,507. Then this is $1,083. So you can see that people are making money in this CPA group here right now. So you yourself as well, you can start making money on this platform now. And for you to start making money on this platform, you need to come back to this platform here. This is a 2b.tb.com. What you need to do right now, you need to come back to this search bar. You look for English Mobi here. English Mobi. English Mobi. So movies. You click enter. When you click enter, it's going to come down like this. So you are seeing different movies here right now. These are different movies you can even use here. And what we are now need to be doing here right now, we just need to be taking the pictures of this one. After you have taken the picture, you are going to as well taking the URL of this movie. So and for you to take that one, you need to come back to this Google site here. And for you to come to this Google site here, you need to create a landing page. For you to create a landing page right now, you need to click on this one. When you click on this one, it's going to open, allow it to open, just allow it to open. So you can now see now. The moment you see this one now, the next thing you need to do now, we need to delete all this now. Once you have deleted that image now, the next thing now you need to name your site, which is entertainment. So you put it like that. Then the next thing now you need to do now, you need to come back to this image here. When you come back to this image here, then you click select. When you click select, just allow it to open. Just allow it to open now. It's going to open. Just allow it to open. So you can see that it's coming up. It's just the network issue. So you can see that it's coming up now. So once this thing is open like this, the next thing now you need to click these links now. When you click these links, then you need to come back to this your this movie here. Then just for instance, you want to play this movie now, you need to click on this play this movie. Then when you click on that one now, you need to come back to this image here. You click on the image right now. You now copy the copy image address. When you copy the image address, you need to come back here. And when you come back here, then you put it here. When you put it here, the next thing you need to do right now, just allow it the network. Just need to you see it like this. Then you click image insert image. When you click insert image, it's going to be on this page. And this is your landing page right now. This is just one. So once you have done this one now, the next thing you now need to do right now, you need to go back to this image here. Then you need to copy the URL of this one. When you copy this one, you copy this URL right here. When you copy this URL here, you need to come back here to this one. Then you right click this one. When you click this one, then you put this URL here. Then once you have done that one, then you apply this. Then this is what you are going to do. then you are going to have as many images as many as possible here. So once you have copied many videos here, and you put it on your landing page here right now, you can see that I've copied many videos here right now. See these videos right now. So the next thing you now need to do right now, you need to go to uh, CPAGrip. When you get to CPAGrip right now, and when you get to CPAGrip, you can see this is a CPAGrip right now. This is a platform is supported by supported globally. And what you now need to do right now, you can see here right now we have a different payment here. We have the payment here is being done. Maybe you are doing a PayPal or whatever you want. So the next thing now, once you have uh, come to this side, the next thing now you need to click a register. And clicking a register here, you need to put your names, you need to put your last names, then the company. If you don't have company, just put your name here again. Your website, just you can put a Facebook here, then the street where you are living, then the country you are, then you just fill all these things. The moment you fill all those things, the moment you finish all this thing now, the next thing you will need to do right now, you need to click login. And in as much you have login now, you just need to come back here and you log in your account. And the moment you log in your account, then you are free to go. So once you have logged in now, once you have logged in the account, once you have logged in on in that your account, then you need to come back to your dashboard here. On dashboard, you are going to see statistics and chat. You are going to see monetization tools. Then what you now need to do now, you click on the offer tools. When you click on offer tools, you are going to click my offer. When you click on my offer, the next thing you now need to do right now, you come back to my country. Your platform is going to be like this. And once your platform is going to be like this, under this country right now, you need to change it to United States or United Kingdom. So let's put it to United States. United States. This is United States. Then you click a United States here right now. When you click the United States here, then just allow it to open. The moment this thing open now, I'm going to show you the magic here, how you are going to start making money on this platform. I want to believe you are enjoying this video, and prevention you are enjoying this video. What I will want you to do right now, I want you to give me a like, also give me a thumb up that I am enjoying this video and I want to make money on this platform. So just allow this thing to open now, because it's just the network is bad. And the moment this thing is open, you cannot see here right now. This thing is already open now. So once this thing has been open, what we now need to do now, we need to choose and we need to choose an offer. So peradventure, I choose this one now. Let me choose this one. So if I choose this one now, it says subscribe to Paramount now. And what you now need to do right now, this offer is from the United States, and the moment this offer is converted, you are going to make $5.39. So what we now need to do here right now, you just need to click take the affiliate link. When you click this affiliate link now, you need to come back to this offer here. Then you click on this one. You click on this one. When you click on this one, then you need to put your links here. When you do that one, click this one. So you have already attached it. The moment after they have played all this movie now, they play this one. When they want to play this one, then it means they will need to subscribe to this offer. And the moment they subscribe to this offer, they are going to make $5.39. So you can do as many as possible. Of take you have taken so once you have taken as many movie as possible and you are putting on this platform now, you can see different movies I've already put in here now. So the next thing we now need to do right now is just to publish my sites. So you click on this one. When you click on this one, you need to put, and then you need to name your website. So the website now, let's name this website as entertainment. So let's just name it. It said this is great, but it's already taken. So we can even reduce this one now. Let's reduce it. When we now reduce it, let's add maybe number or figures there. So when you can now see now, this thing is already published. So you can now publish now. When you now publish this thing, so you now come here, you click on this one, you just copy on this. So let say publish site now. you click on this one. When you click on this one, the next thing you are going to do now, you click on another page, right? You put on this page, and let's open it now, and let's see how your website is going to be. So this is just the website now. Let's see it open. Let it open. It's about to open now. The network here is a little bit bad here. So you can see here that this thing is about to open here. Just exercise patience. So you just need to click view website now. When you click view website now, this is how your website is going to be. So you can now see now, this is just the website. So what we are now trying to do now, immediately any of this traffic, just click on this one. Then you are going to come back here. Then you are going to start watching this movie. Then that is just the simple process. Or on the other hand, if peradventure the website, or on the other hand, they click on this one, it means you are going to come back here and you are going to make $5.99. So that's just the simple process. Now that you have already completed this your landing page right now, what is now left now is for you to start running traffic to this landing page. And the website we are going to start be using today is what we call Rambo. And if I'm going to show you the traffic to this website now, let me just come here right now. This is the traffic to this website now. The traffic to this website is almost organic traffic is 514.8 thousand, while the traffic value is 36.8 thousand dollars. So you can now see now if you come to this traffic, the first the top country, which is a tier one country, is United States, which is 60%. Then followed by India, followed by United Kingdom. So the United Kingdom is 4%, while United States is 60%. So what we are now going to be doing right now, you just need to start posting our offer here. And the moment they're able to watch it and they're able to watch that your Mobi, after watching that your Mobi, the next thing now, and then they watch that your offer here, they are going to you are going to make $5.59. So this is just the simple process. Enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, what I will want you just to do for me now, that is not going to cost you anything, is just give me a like and also give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time, you have not subscribed. What I will want you to do now, just subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end. And on this note now, if you have any question that is not clear to you, or you want me to make a video on it, I want you to go to the comment section of this video. Just put those your questions there. And when I see those questions, I'm going to do justice to them. And I want to say I love you. I appreciate you for being with me from the beginning to the end. So we see in the next video. Shalom. Thanks for watching.